Hey everyone, Bruce here with Coastal Real Estate Company, and welcome to this week's blog. This week's blog topic is expert forecasts on mortgage rates. So, if you've been thinking of buying or selling a home recently, you've probably been watching mortgage rates fluctuate pretty greatly. So, this week we're going to talk about what the experts are predicting for the end of 2022 going into 2023. So, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel below. And let's dive in. So, expert forecasts on mortgage rates. So, if you've been thinking of buying a home, you may have been watching what's happened with mortgage rates over the past year. It's true they've risen dramatically, but where they go from here, especially as the market continues to slow. As you think about homeownership goals and decide if now's the time to make your move, the best place to turn for that information is the professionals. Here's a summary of the latest mortgage rate forecast from housing market experts. Experts project mortgage rates will stabilize. While mortgage rates continue to fluctuate due to ongoing inflationary pressures and economic uncertainty, experts project they'll start to stabilize in the months ahead. According to the latest projections, mortgage rates are expected to hover in the low to mid 5% range initially, and then potentially dip into the high 4% range by later next year. So we can take a look at the chart below, mortgage rate projections for August 2022. So Q4 of 2022 going into Q3 of 2023, on average between Freddie Mac, Fannie Mae, MBA, NAR, the average of all four the Q4 should fall around 5.4. It's going to dip to 5.3, 5.2, and then finally 4.8 about this time next year. So that could bring you some welcome relief. So far this year, mortgage rates have climbed over 2 percentage points due to the Federal Reserve's response to inflation. And that's made it more expensive to buy a home on a monthly basis, especially. And wondering if the rise in rates will continue keeping some prospective buyers on the sidelines. So now that experts say mortgage rates should stabilize, this gives you a bit more certainty about what they think the future holds. And that may help you feel more confident about your decision to buy a home. So what I would do is I would look at these mortgage rates and the price you're paying for the home. If you're getting a good enough deal on the purchase price, it still is worth buying a home right now at the higher percentage rate. If you're going to pay top dollar, and you're also going to be at a higher percentage rate when they may drop down a little bit over the next year. That's something that you have to take into consideration and see if the purchase price versus the mortgage rate makes sense. So bottom line, whether you're looking to buy your first home, move up to a larger home, or even downsize, you need to know what's happening in the housing market so you can make the most informed decisions possible. This is especially important right now. Let's connect to discuss your goals and determine the best plan for your move. So remember, who you work with is important and your strategy always matters. Give us a call today to connect and discuss your individual goals. Talk to you guys next week. Everyone have a great weekend.